Okay, love. So my daughter had a little birthday dinner here last night with a few of her friends, and they cleaned up pretty good because they had stuff all over the place last night. I didn't attend. I just set it up for her or whatever. But anyway, yeah, we just got to put these chairs and stuff up. This is still Vlogust. I don't think I'm gonna continue Vlogust all the way to the end of the month because for some reason, well, I'm not getting a lot of views on my videos, so I'm thinking like it's a waste of my time to do so many videos because I'm not reaping what they say, reaping your harvest or whatever. So I believe like when you put out more content, you should get more views, more revenue. But my revenue hasn't changed at all. It's still the same. And I'm pretty much halfway through Vlogust. Same revenue I had when I was putting out 2 videos a month. I mean, 2 videos every week. So I think I'm going to cut out Vlogust and just go back to my 2 videos every week. Even though it's been fun. But I live by a train, near a train track. So sorry about the train. So I attempted to make this. It's coming down. Actually, I'm getting ready to take it down anyway. I had never did this before, but I think it came out pretty cute. It was like here, you can maybe see like how that was, and it went all the way down over on that side over there. And then I had this one fell apart. Like this one right here was, sorry y'all. This right here was up like this, and you know, it was like an arch. And these are some really inexpensive shears that came from Family Dollar. I didn't want to spend, you know, $20 on outdoor drapes when eventually we're taking this, well, probably by spring we're taking this up because I want to put a pool, in-ground pool back here. But I didn't spend a lot of money on these. I'm going to save them because last time I had some of these, I threw them out. But I'm going to save these just in case we do something else back here and I need to make a backdrop because I actually like that. It's really cute. Just imagine white and gold or white and silver or white and anything would be cute. I like that. So, yeah, so nobody even sat up here because it wasn't very many people at all. She said 20 to 25. I think maybe she had about 20 people. Yeah, so she had a few friends sitting over here, and then again they had the projector set up here, and actually the guys end up taking over this. I'm not sure if I said that already. So I'm loving this backyard. The only thing that I'm not liking about my backyard right now, and I'm going to truly have to do something about it very quickly. I'm probably going to do it maybe before, I don't know if I'm going to do it before or after my pool. Is I need, like I said this before, like I have that wood fence. I need to put a wood fence over here because I don't want to take away from the ambiance of my yard, because over this way, okay, this is my she shed that's getting built. It needs to be painted, and we need to do sheetrock and installation and electricity in there. But this area over here is not my yard, but it's like an eyesore. So I want to put a wood fence over here, and all the way, probably gonna take my wood fence to come all the way here. They had a beanbag toss game last night, and you can see a little trail here because this is the trail that the guys use to bring the material to build the she shed. They made a trail, which I'm fine with because they had to do that. So it's probably going to end up dying by the fall because of how hot it is, and I don't have a sprinkler. So back to the fence. So I want to put a wood fence all the way here to actually cover. It's going to probably stop just to hide all of this, it's probably gonna stop like maybe right here, and that way when we're in our backyard, if we want to shoot pictures or whatever, we don't have to worry about that background over there messing up our pictures. So that's that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting the stuff back and taking stuff down. Done all the difficult stuff. Everything's taken down and put in its rightful place. So everything's put in its rightful place for the time being. We keep this up here because we play this, you know, periodically during the week. And I'm gonna fold this up and put it somewhere because I don't want it to get wet and rained on or anything like that. But other than that, and my husband needs to put those tables and chairs and that shed back there. Other than that, everything is wrapped up.